Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So if I'm talking about resetting all settings, it means that it will reset the customization, for example, the navigation bar, like the screen timeout options, etc. Nothing personal. So let's start with opening the settings. And here we need to scroll all the way down to find the general management. Then let's scroll down again and go to reset. Scroll down again and go to reset all settings. As you can see, here you've got also the information that this will reset all the settings on your phone except security, language, accounts, personal data, or settings for downloaded apps. So no worries, you will not really lose any kind of data, any kind of information. So just tap on reset settings if you're ready, enter your screen lock to confirm, and tap on reset. And to apply the new settings, your phone will restart, so just be aware about that. And all you need to do now is to simply wait until this process will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.